Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Navitech wireless Bluetooth multi-OS keyboard, specifically designed for the Walmart Onn 10.1-inch tablet. If you're like many on tablet owners, you've probably realized that typing on the screen can be a bit cumbersome, especially for longer emails or documents. That's where a keyboard like this comes in handy. The Navitech keyboard boasts Bluetooth connectivity, making it compatible not only with the Onn tablet, but also with other devices that support Bluetooth. The black color gives it a sleek and professional look that complements most tablets. The keyboard has a 10.1-inch screen size. One of the standout features is its ergonomic design. The keys are well-spaced and offer a decent amount of travel, providing a comfortable typing experience. It's definitely a step up from tapping directly on the tablet screen. The keyboard is designed to be user-friendly, and pairing it with the Onn tablet is a breeze. Simply turn on the Bluetooth on your tablet, power on the keyboard, and follow the pairing instructions. The inclusion of multi-OS compatibility is a definite plus. This means you can use it with Windows, Android, or iOS devices, making it a versatile accessory for all your gadgets. The Navitech keyboard is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around in a bag or backpack. It's perfect for students, writers, or anyone who needs to type on the go. The keyboard is powered by a rechargeable battery, and Navitech includes a charging cable in the box. Battery life is pretty good, and you can get several hours of use on a single charge. The Navitech keyboard transforms the Onn tablet into a mini laptop, making it much more productive for work or school. The Navitech wireless Bluetooth keyboard is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their Onn 10.1-inch tablet experience. Its ergonomic design, Bluetooth connectivity, and multi-OS compatibility make it a versatile and practical accessory.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.